welcome to my channel. Marianne here, popping in. I received my Beautylish Lucky Bag today, and I ordered the $75 Jeffree Star version. I already opened it, I already looked at it, but I have it here. I wanted to show you. This was the tissue paper. It had this Lucky Bag 2023. It had this really cute paper, but yeah, the video didn't record right, so but I want to show you what I got. So I'm not going to be surprised. I was happy with what I got, except for one thing. Not too happy, but not too disappointed. So I'll show you that thing first, because it's the biggest thing in the box. The lipstick holder. I'm okay with it because that's mostly what I wear from Jeffree Star, is the liquid velour lip colors. In fact, I'm going to show you something. It didn't come in this Lucky Bag, but I have it down here. I got this at Nordstrom Rack, had this on sale. It was the Blood Sugar liquid lipstick vault. So as you can see, I wear some of them already. I've taken them out. I change back and forth when I go to work. And so currently I'm doing Romeo, Sugar Spike, Cherry Wet, and Sucker Punch. Mostly Sugar Spike. I love that color. So anyway, I like these minis. Okay, so let's see what I got. One thing that I didn't have, so I was excited. I got the Pricked palette. This I do not have, but I have it now. Yay! So pretty. And it's so cute. Okay, this next thing I already do have, and I've been using it, so it's always good to have a backup. I think I already have one backup, and do I? No, that's the Orgy. So now I have a backup for the Cremated. I love the Orgy and the Cremated are my two favorite palettes. And then it's over $200 worth of stuff. Even it doesn't seem like that much that I got, but that's okay. So I got, what color was this? I think it was Charisma? No. Chrysanthemum. The liquid velour. Chrysanthemum. So that's a really pretty color. And I also got Gemini. I've never tried this color before. I might want to try it at work. It smells like frosting. Yes, I like it. I think I'll wear it tomorrow. So I'm not looking at the camera. And I got a Velvet Trap. This one is Nudist Colony. You can't get it there. It's pretty light. It's pretty nude. I think I got one more thing, which I was excited about because I haven't tried any of his skincare. And so I got the Magic Star Mushroom Mist. So this is from like the psychedelic. It's really cool. I already sprayed it on my hand when I opened the box because one thing I like about Jeffree Star, look at this, oh, so much. It's really cool. He doesn't use fragrance, so it doesn't smell like anything. I can't have any fragrance on my face. I have a little cut there. Sorry. Look how shiny it made my hand compared. Let's try it on this one. Is it glowing? So I'm gonna like that. Ooh, it has a mist. Okay. So that's what I got. I'm excited. I got some new cosmetics. I like the color. Goes with my little top. So I just popped on before I made this video to see. I haven't seen anybody's Jeffree Star bags yet. I just saw mostly everybody got the other lucky bag, but since mostly all I do wear is Jeffree Star, I chose the Jeffree Star. And they had something on back order, so I had to wait for it. I don't know what was on back order. I imagine it was probably a palette or this. But this I think is pretty new, so with the psychedelic campaign that he had. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'm happy to have my new Jeffree Star lip colors. I'm glad that I didn't get a lot of other kind of powders and stuff because I don't wear a lot of powder. I'll wear eyeshadow. I have nothing on except the lipstick right now because I just took a long walk and took a shower and washed my hair. So I'm just sitting back, but I didn't want to wait to open the box. I didn't want to put makeup on because I just took a shower and I didn't want to get all dolled up for the video. Sorry, I have a habit of not, but anyway. I have 2 jewelry boxes coming soon. And I recorded a couple videos. I just haven't uploaded them yet. So I'll get around to it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Let's have a lucky new year.